Ever wonder how those perfect golden French fries in your favorite restaurant or freezer bag are actually made?
Today on Food Flavor, we follow a Hispanic female potato farmer from her farm all the way to the crispy fries on your plate, prepared by a Middle Eastern chef.
This is the massive industrial process behind America's most loved side dish. From dirt-covered potatoes to perfectly cut, golden, crispy fries, let's begin.
Hit that like button and subscribe if you love seeing how real food is made.
It all starts in the fields with specially chosen potato varieties, mostly russet Burbank.
These potatoes are high in solids and low in sugar, perfect for crispy fries.
They're coming up strong.
Couldn't ask for better growth.
When the time is right, giant harvesters dig the potatoes out of the ground.
Quality starts right here on the farm.
Only the best potatoes move forward, hewing. The rest are used for other products.
Temperature and humidity are carefully managed to keep them fresh for weeks.
Now the real transformation begins.
Next comes peeling, either steam peeling or abrasive mechanical peeling. The skin is removed quickly while keeping as much potato as possible.
Inspection stations check for any remaining eyes or imperfections.
Different sizes can be produced: thin, regular, or steak cut.
Only long, uniform fries continue down the line.
This step is critical for that restaurant quality look.
Blanching stops enzyme activity and removes excess sugars.
This prevents dark spots and gives fries a consistent golden color.
Hot air removes surface moisture so they fry evenly.
Hot air removes surface moisture so they fry evenly.
Proper drying is the secret to extra crispiness. Now comes the first fry, a quick par fry in hot oil.
The fries are partially cooked but still soft inside.
Rapid freezing locks in the perfect texture and freshness.
Frozen fries can be stored for months without losing quality.
This is how restaurants and grocery stores get consistent fries year-round.
Nitrogen is often used to keep them fresh longer. Every bag is sealed, dated, and checked for quality.
From farm to frozen bag, your plating, the process is complete.
And that's how ordinary potatoes become the crispy, golden French fries we all love. Next time you grab a bag of fries or order them at a restaurant, you'll know the incredible journey behind every single one.
If you enjoyed this factory tour, smash the like button, subscribe to Food Flavor, and tell us in the comments, which snack should we reveal next?